This is going to be my experience with the Ryobi shears. Hold on a second. Alright, these are 18 gauge shears. They basically handle any material you're going to put in front of them, as long as it's 18 gauge or smaller. So when I bought this because I was installing FRP, which is a plastic sheet or a composite sheet or some kind of a sheet that goes along the walls in kitchens and restaurants to protect the wall from water damage and all that. Anyway, this is how it works. You basically slap the battery in. It does not have to be the 4 amp hour. You can also do it with the regular battery. Doesn't matter as long as it's a 1+. And once you got it, you pull the trigger. It is a variable speed trigger. You're going to push the button here on the side and then you pull the trigger. It is dope. You push this button here under the handle here, both, and you can turn it to whatever position you want. All these little marks here will indicate where you can lock it. It's got little rubber pieces here so that when you put it down, it doesn't scratch, doesn't move on you. This is the lock, so you can't pull the trigger. This Allen key here so that you can adjust and change the blade. And it's a pretty dope one. Again, as long as it's 18 gauge or up, this will do phenomenal. It will just cut through whatever. I don't have anything to cut. I don't have any material to cut to show you. But it does the job. It is no joke. Again, it has to be 18 gauge. So aside from this, I also have a 14 gauge gun that I got from Harbor Freight, and that handles the thicker FRP or any thicker materials. Anything that's thin 18 gauge and up, this bad boy does it. You can turn with it as you're cutting. It's not bad. It's not heavy. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't have again material for me to be able to show you, but I can tell you that as long as it's 18 gauge material, you cut through with this bad boy right here.